Ano yung mga traffic enforcer? Dating tollgate.
Dating stoplight. I don't know why my accent changes every time I talk to Steve.
Me too, I'm not speaking like this when I was working in call center. My accent was very nice. But when you came to the house, it became like this.
I will break your character in my vlog.
We will expose you. You're speaking Tagalog.
It's cut out, man. I will edit that. That's not.
Ayaw nga pala. Ayaw nga mag-edit.
May, you will edit this time.
How do you sleep, my friend? Di kasi sumabay-sabay sa kotse eh. Tangina dito, mga latak na naman na joke yung nakukuha mo eh.
Oo, alam mo, kahit nakamotor ka, dapat nagkakamera ka pa rin sa loob ng kotse.
Oo.
Kuya Kon, huwag mong bilisan, Kuya Kon. Kuya Kon, may lubak ka.
Ano ba, di ba mabibitan eh? Di ba rin joke?
Ganun siya.
Ano yan? Ano yung joke? Diba?
Okay din.
Chef! Sabi si Steve.